Software Spring. Presents. Index function, 1-question quiz, with demo of answer, in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this 1-question quiz, on index function. A demo of the answer follows, after the answer is revealed. Let's look at a brief intro to index. Index returns data from a cell, row, or column, of specified range. Alright, here's the index function formula. Going forward, here's the quiz question. Assume you have to use the index function to get score of any student in any subject. Which function can be used to get the row and column offset of this formula? Okay, here are the answer choices. The time to answer this question is 30 seconds. All the best. The time starts now. The correct answer is C. Here is a quick intro to match function. Match searches for search key in specified range and returns its position as a number. Each of row and column arguments of index also require a number. The format of match function formula is. Here is an example. Search key is the data you want to search. Range is the area which may have the search key. A value of 0 for search type means exact search. Demo. Alright, let's start by typing the index function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, IND, and select index. What is reference? The reference is range, with data you want to extract. OK, for reference, select this area, and type comma. What is row? Row is number of rows down from first cell of range. For row, let's substitute the match function. Type MAT and select match. For search key, click this cell because we want to search for this student. Type comma. For range, select this area because it has the student names. Type comma. For search type, type 0, because we want match to conduct an exact search. Type the closing parenthesis, and type comma. What is column? Column is number of columns to right of last row, traversed down. For column, let's substitute the match function again. Type the initial part of the match function formula, as before. For search key, click this cell, because we want to get the score in this subject. Type comma. For range, select this area, because it has the subject names. Type comma. For search type, type 0, because we want the exact search. Type 2 closing parentheses, 1 each for match and index. The final index match combo formula is. Press enter. There you go. The index match combo function formula has returned the score in this subject of this student. Now, let's get the score of this student, in this subject, by typing student name, and subject name. OK, index match has returned the score. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.